Welcome friends, myself singer Pooja Madhukar. Today's my seminar topic is energy flow in ecosystem. So first we will discuss the definition of ecosystem. Ecosystem it is an community or group of living organisms that live in and interact with each other in a specific environment. The ecosystem is interacting system made up of all living and non-living components. Energy flow. Energy flow is the flow of energy through living thing within an ecosystem. All living organisms can be organized into producer and consumers. And those producer and consumer can further be organized into a food chain. Here is the diagrammatic representation of energy flow. The sun is the main source of energy. The earth is an open system for energy. Energy flow in is a key function of ecosystem. In energy flow model, uh, the energy flow from sun to producer, but some energy is depicted into heat. When producer 10% energy to consumer, some energy is lost at the heat. And the next level is decomposer, and next is inorganic nutrient pool to the producer. Energy flow in ecosystem. The transfer of energy from one trophic level to another trophic level is called energy flow. The flow of energy in an ecosystem is unidirectional, that is flow from the producer level to consumer level and never in reverse direction. Importance of energy flow in ecosystem. The energy flow in ecosystem is important to maintain an ecological balance. The producer synthesis food by the process of photosynthesis. A part of energy stored within the plant and the remaining energy is utilized by the plant in their growth and development. This stored energy is transferred to the plant consumer, primary consumer when they feed on the producer. This energy is further passed on to the secondary consumer when they feed on the primary consumer, and so on. Types of energy flow model. There are two types of energy flow model. First is single channel energy flow model, and second is Y-shaped or double or two channel energy flow model. In single channel energy flow model, the first model is Lindemann model and second is box or pipe energy flow model. In Lindemann model, this model was proposed by Lindemann in 1942. The total incoming solar radiation 1,18,872 gram calorie per centimeter square per year. 1,18,761 gram calorie per year per centimeter square per year remain utilization. Here is the diagrammatic representation of single channel energy flow model. If the food chain is small or trophic level are short, the energy is large in last trophic level and store the energy in both trophic level. This model have two fact. First is energy flow is unidirectional. It moves through trophic level. System may collapse if the primary source, the sun, is cut off. There is progressive decrease in energy level at each trophic level. The energy dissipated as heat in metabolic activity and measured here as respiration coupled with unutilized energy. The second model is box and pipe energy flow model. It was suggested by E.P. Oden in 1953. It is simplified energy flow model of a three tropic level. In such a single channel energy flow model, box represents the tropic level and the pipe depicts the energy flow in and out of each level. Energy inflow balance outflow as required by the first law of thermodynamics, and energy transfer is accompanied by dispersion of energy into unavailable heat, that is respiration as required by the second law of thermodynamics. Here is the diagrammatic representation of box or pipe energy flow model. The second model is Y-shaped or two-channel energy flow model. E.P. Oden in 1962 depicted this model. He pointed out that there are two basic food chains in nature in any system. In each Y-shaped model, one arm represents the herbivorous food chain and the other decomposer food chain. The two are different fundamentally in the way in which they can influence primary producer. In each model, the grazing and detritus food chain are sharply separated. The grazing food chain beginning with green plants, uh, best going to herbivores and then to carnivores. And the second, the detritus food chain beginning with green dead organic matter act, act, acted by microbes, then passing to detritus and their consumer. Here is the diagrammatic representation of a Y-shaped energy flow model. Uh, there are here two types of food chain. One is a grassland food chain and second is detritus food chain. Odum's universal model. E.P. Oden in 1968 suggested Y-shaped energy flow model. This model is applicable any living component, whether a plant, animal, microorganism or individual population. A tropic group is called universal model of energy flow. So thank you.